Okay, today we're looking at the Maginon QC505 quadcopter drone. This is a drone that has 6-axis gyro stability. Let's start taking that out of the box. Alright, so here's what we've got out of the box. We've got our copter with the camera already mounted. We've got the remote control, 3 AA batteries, a screwdriver, some little screws, 4 replacement props and prop guards, another screwdriver, looks like it's almost exactly the same size, USB charger, and a warranty card. This one comes with a 3-year warranty. Alright, so to turn it on, just flip it upside down. Flip the switch and the red and blue lights will turn on. Then hold down the power button in the middle of the controller. Oh, you went too fast here. Oh. Show them where the prop button is to start it. Right there. Alright, so that gets it going.